Whenever I check out the Indie Mega booth at GDC, I always look for a game that's a little different than everything else, that's trying to do something a little unique. This year I found it in Skye. Skye comes from a team of students. They just got out of school and they actually just got funding for their game from 4J, the company that does a lot of the Minecraft ports. They happen to be based in the same Scotland town. The studio is Puny Astronaut. It's a group of 8 developers and Skye is their first real project. Skye caught my eye because it's super bright and really cute, and it plays actually like a mix of Spyro and Journey. The first thing I did was nosedive into the floor. That's fine. You can't lose this game, so that's fine. It's a game you can't lose, which is really interesting. This is something to play when you want to maybe calm down, relax, just have some fun sitting on the couch and zoning out while looking at a really cute dragon. So this guy, he flies around and he interacts with the world. I saw him playing a piano, just flying by it and playing the keys. You can run through dandelion fields, you can visit the locals. I talked with one of the developers and they're saying Skye is kind of intended for a younger audience, maybe 6 to 12. But this is something that anyone of any age can enjoy. Oh, I can make noises by pressing Y. It reminds me of my puppies. Skye is in the works right now with this new investment from 4J. The team is kind of revamping everything and turning it into a real game instead of a student project. So this thing is going to come to Xbox One, PlayStation 4, and Nintendo Switch in the future.